hope you're doing well. Myself, Urvashi Girish Pradesi. I'm your host and your dost on this wonderful show created by Mercedes-Benz Landmark Cars, wherein your favorite celebrities come here to the showroom and we have a few question and answer round going on and they have to win it in order to win the exciting hamper. So shall we welcome them? Now that we've settled in, is there anything you'd like to have?
Coffee?
One coffee, please.
Black coffee.
Till that is getting ready, we'll start our first round. Round 1, that is knowing Salman Yusuf Khan.
Ooh.
Shall we begin?
ठीक है, no tricky questions.
Well, we'll try. So the first question is, what do you like to drive?
I like to drive my wife crazy. You ask me what I like to drive her
In
mad.
terms of vehicles.
But I like something that is fast and furious, so I'm a little of an adrenaline person, so I love all my fast cars, yeah.
That's wonderful. So the second question is, just like how these Mercedes supercars have super engines and awesome bodies, you also have very toned muscular body. So my question is, what is your super fuel?
Well, I agree with you on the fact that Mercedes has some amazing designs. I've been a fan of it
Right.
for quite a while, and yes, like how the designer takes a lot of time in designing these cars, I do take a lot of my time in a day too to stay fit, because working out is only 20%, but the rest of the 23 hours, other than that, the 1 hour of workout is your diet that you
Right,
follow.
right.
What you eat is what you look.
Wonderful.
Working on myself, I am my biggest competitor. So be it my art, be it me as a human being, be it my flaws, I want to keep overcoming them and better myself as a human being. So that's my super fuel,
Super.
to be
Wonderful.
the best version of myself.
Wonderful. So the third question is, what drives you? Time or money?
Time, because time is of the essence. We don't know our expiry date, correct? So
Right.
might as well make the most of time, because I don't want to live long. I want to live large in whatever time I have.
Wonderful.
So I think my mileage is my time, and I work towards time. And then, like they usually say, time is money. Money follows.
Right. Okay. So the fourth question is, being an ace dance director and an actor yourself, you have so many awesome music videos releasing. Can you tell us about your next one?
I do have a next one, and it's very exciting. As an artist, it's really touched my heart, and it's very special, this song. And the way this boy has sung it, Rahul, it's unbelievable. So I think audio is going to do half the magic, and Bacha Kucha magic, we are hoping we do it with the video. So yeah,
We are very excited too.
super excited. I'm super excited too.
So here's the fifth question. Mercedes-Benz Landmark Cars offer cars which are fast and luxurious. So the question is, in the road of life, what is your approach? Fast and adventurous or smooth and luxurious?
I think in the road of life, what's important is the journey, not the destination.
Right.
तो और ज़रूरी नहीं है ज़िंदगी में जर्नी हमेशा से एक ही रास्ते में जाए, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे होगा, ऑफ रोड होगा. तो आई थिंक फॉर डिफरेंट टेरेन्स in life, I think I like different cars. If it's a smooth straight road, I like my fast cars. अगर कुछ गड़बड़ा हो जाए तो then I would like to go off-roading with the G-Wagon. एक बहुत ही अच्छा एक road आ जाए तो I'd like to also go luxurious with the S-Class. So like that, like the cars you choose for your terrain, I think it's very important to live life the way the road comes. You can't be stuck up. आप ये नहीं ज़िंदगी में चल सकते कि हमेशा से ही हर चीज़ स्मूथ हो, हमेशा से हर चीज़ अच्छी हो, वरना लाइफ भी मज़ेदार नहीं रहेगी. थोड़ा अप्स एंड डाउन्स भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. So like thing like that, I'll choose my cars according to the terrain.
Very beautifully said.
Thank you.
So we've come to the end of the round 1. We'll move on to the next round.
Thank you. Am I going to win a hamper?
We'll see.
अच्छा.
So we'll proceed to the next round. The next round is called Knowing Mercedes-Benz Landmark Cars.
Okay.
Alright? So the question is, Can you guess the latest Mercedes car launch in India?
I think I was a part of it. Is it the GLC AMG 43? I love that car.
Oh really? What was the experience like?
Me being a car enthusiast, I think I loved every single bit of it. I was very excited to see the car firstly and the design. When the car was revealed, I loved the shape of the car. I loved the color of the car, the matte grey that was done on it. Just to sit in the car and just to take the feel of the entire car, the drift steering wheel, the Alcantara that was on the car, every single thing, you know. And since everything is going so electronic, I love the paneling, the way it was done, the touch screen effect, and just the start of the engine was so beautiful. And I drove it, and I drove it really, harsh, I would say, to get the adrenaline, and the car handled beautifully. So I loved the entire experience. Loved it.
Super. So here's the last one. Are you ready for it?
Let's go.
Okay, so which is the iconic product of Mercedes-Benz portfolio since ages?
Iconic product, when you say product, you mean a car, of course, right? An
Yes.
iconic car in the portfolio. Is it the G-Wagon?
Yes, you're right. Absolutely correct. When you think about it, is there any dance move that comes in your head, or you associate it with some dance move or something like that?
When I think about a G-Wagon, I can think of two things. One, it's definitely a chick magnet. Two, whenever you switch that car on, okay, it has so much torque that the entire car rumbles. You can feel the vibration every
Right.
time you switch it on, you know. So I think twerking. Have you heard of the style twerking?
Yes, I have.
So with ladies and this car with so much power, I think twerking is the best dance move that can associate with that car. Don't ask me to do twerking right now, okay?
Well, I was just
no.
about to. Come on! Please do it for us.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm very serious.
Let me imagine the G-Wagon first, wait.
Okay.
And let me imagine me being a girl when I see the G-Wagon. So,
How do you look like now? You have done a great job.
thank you.
Now we'll proceed to the round 3 of Breakfast with Benz. We'll just go outside and have a look at the cars first.
Chalo,
Alright?
let's go.
Shall we? Can you tell us 3 of your most favorite Mercedes cars?
Of course, SLS AMG, love it. The Maybach,
Okay.
love it. And practicality and everyday, S-Class, any day.
Wonderful.
So these 3 cars.
Superb. So here is a surprise for you. This is a magic bowl.
Magic bowl.
Yes, there are chits in here having the names of all your favorite cars. All your favorite Mercedes cars.
Wow.
Okay? Whichever you pick, you get that car
I get to keep them.
for 4 weeks. Yes.
Chalo.
Here you go.
Wow. Actually, it is a magic ball. You know, हम सब engineering students के लिए जहाँ भी chits होते हैं, वो magic ball ही होता है. तो I've been very good with chits. Okay. हाँ, any of the 3, right? So I love all the 3.
Yeah.
तो चलेगा, उसमें से कोई भी एक भी लेके चलेगा. Let's see.
Which one did
I
you
get the S-Class 350D. Fancy.
Congratulations. So here is the surprise hamper that you won.
How sweet.
Here you go.
Wow. Who doesn't like winning hampers?
So Salman, it
पता है
was
कितनी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ी मुझे Mercedes के बारे में हैम्पर को जीतने के लिए. No, I actually know a lot about Mercedes and usuals. But thank you so much.
Right, you did a
This looks very good. Thank you.
Very good job.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
It was wonderful having you here. It was great talking to you.
Absolute pleasure.
And we wish you great luck for all your future endeavors.
Thank you so much.
And we hope that you enjoy your supercar gifted by Mercedes-Benz Landmark Cars.
Inshallah. Thank you so much. It's always a pleasure. And yes, I love Mercedes.